Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share healthy road trip snack ideas. I've just raided my pantry and my fridge for all kinds of foods that I usually take on road trips. With the weather warming up, it's perfect to start getting out on days out and about, and so I thought I'd just share some of the favorite foods that I take with to try and avoid eating unhealthily and spending too much money. It's just so much more budget friendly to take some snacks with you on the road. And I've written a blog post which I'll leave down below, which has my 15 favorite road trip snacks that are healthy, so click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know your favorite road trip snacks. Now as you can see, there's a mix of non-low carb and low carb keto friendly options. I tend to veer more towards low carb myself, but I've got a family of 4 and everyone eats something different, so everyone might not have low carb keto in your family as well. So these are just my favorite ideas. Starting with yogurt up here, I just love this yogurt from Aldi. It's lemon yogurt, and you can just take a couple of those. If you're taking anything fridge that needs to be in the fridge, take with a little cooler bag, or just make sure you eat it as quickly as possible to avoid it being out the fridge for too long. Or you might just go past a supermarket and pick up a 4-pack, and it's for your family of 4. Everyone has a nice yogurt, so you might want individual like that. Or I've got this Greek style yogurt that you can pop in a bit of berries or something, and then you can take that away in little containers so that you've got a nice healthy snack full of good beneficial ingredients. So those are my favorite yogurt options. And now for bars, these are more for my kids. We like these fruit and nut bars. The ingredients in this is just fruit and nuts. I tend to try and make things myself as much as possible, but if you want something to grab and go or something from a supermarket, these ones I really like. You get them here in Ireland. I think they're in the UK as well. Those are the fruit and nut bars, and these are protein bars, have 10 grams of protein in it. My husband loves these, so they're just our options. As I said, try and make things myself, but I kind of spend time in supermarkets and look and try and find ones that are as wholesome as possible to just kind of keep to hand when you just want something to grab and go, or as I said, to get from a supermarket on the road. Another option is peppermint tea. I love peppermint tea. Sometimes I'll just go in and get a mug of hot water and add some peppermint tea to it, and that's kind of perfect for a snack to keep me going between meals. And of course we've got cheese, glorious cheese. I've got Emmental over here, slices. Any cheese you like, just go to the supermarket and pick whatever takes your fancy. There are so many options for cheese that make perfect road trip snacks, but again, make sure you take a cooler bag or something to be able to keep it nice and at refrigerated temperature. And if you want something protein rich, we've got tuna and salmon over there. You might want to make a bit of a tuna salad, or you can get those pouches of tuna ready to go, or any kinds of meaty snacks, whether it's jerky or some pastrami or cold meat, any kind of cold meats. Just look at the supermarket and grab one that makes the perfect road trip snack. Another rich protein option is peanut butter. You can get those little individual pouches of peanut butter, or just pop some into a little container that you can spread onto crackers or some fruit, veg, chocolate even, with a bit of peanut butter is incredible. One of our other favorites is coleslaw. I've got this coleslaw over here from Aldi. I went to Aldi today, if you hadn't noticed all my Aldi products. This one's from Aldi, coleslaw. It's actually got egg mayo and coleslaw together. It sounded quite nice. I thought I'd give it a try. That's a great snack. Again, you can get on the road or take with you. That will be nice and nourishing and full of good nutrition. Of course, there's fruit and veggies. You might want to just pick up some berries when they're on season now, spring going into summer. Or I've got these baby cucumber here that I found. They're on special at Aldi for 79 cents this week. So I couldn't resist getting these cute little baby cucumbers, but you might prefer carrot or celery, other cucumber, whole cucumber that you cut up. They all make perfect snacks that you can then dip into maybe your peanut butter if you want to, or coleslaw, or some sour cream or mayo or hummus. Makes a brilliant dipping option. And if you want something a bit sweeter, take some chocolate. This is individually wrapped 85% chocolate from Aldi that we absolutely love. So I might just take that with, and when someone wants something snacky, we've got the perfect row of chocolate individually wrapped bars. So that's kind of the perfect sweet option that we love. And finally, nuts. I've got peanuts and cashew nuts here. You might want to make up a bit of trail mix with your favorite nuts, seeds, dried fruit, bit of chocolate, kind of perfect. You can make, everyone can make up their own individual trail mix to take on the road with them. That's the perfect healthy road trip snack. But that is the video for today with all my favorite go-to healthy road trip snacks. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, and remember to check down below for the link to the blog post that has my 15 best healthy road trip snacks. So thank you so much for watching and happy traveling. See you again soon. Bye.